Zero-turn mowers are fast, powerful, and built to deliver that crisp, professional finish every homeowner wants. Over the years mowing lawn, I've learned that even small habits can make or break your mowing results. And I'll be honest, I'm guilty of every single one of these mistakes at some point, so if you see yourself in this list, don't take it personally. This video is just a quick, honest breakdown of the most common zero-turn mistakes I've made and how you can avoid them, whether you're brand new to zero turns or have been riding one for years. First, stop mowing the same path every single time. Those drive tires are heavy, and when they roll the exact same tracks week after week, they compact the soil, choke the roots, and leave dead ruts. Rotate your pattern, north-south one week, east-west the next, diagonal when you're feeling fancy. You'll spread out wear, avoid clumping, and help the turf stand taller and healthier. Second, check your deck level at the start of every season, or anytime you bump a hidden stump or edge a curb. Even a slight tilt will scalp one side and leave high spots on the other. Always start by equalizing tire pressure, then use factory pins or a basic ruler under the blade tips to get that deck sitting level. 10 minutes now saves months of uneven, patchy mowing. Third, ditch the zero-turn spin and learn the three-point turn or wide-sweeping U. Sure, it's tempting to pirouette like a carnival ride, but that inside tire will skid and rip the grass clean out of the ground. Ease forward, pivot gently, then finish the turn. It keeps your lawn intact and saves you from wondering why your yard looks like crop circles exploded overnight. Fourth, sharpen those blades. Seriously, dull blades tear grass instead of cutting it, leaving brown, frayed tops that look diseased within a day or two. If you're seeing streaks or skinny mohawks between passes, it's way overdue. Swap or sharpen every 10 hours and keep a spare set ready so you are not stuck waiting. A sharp blade means less strain on the engine, a cleaner cut, and faster mowing overall. Fifth, and this is the one that sends engines to an early grave, stay on top of maintenance. Clean the air filter after every dusty mow, swap it out after a few dozen hours, and never run the season on last year's oil. Grease the spindles, check belt wear, torque your lug nuts, and replace worn blades before they snap. 15 minutes of upkeep keeps that 2019 mower running strong in 2025. Sixth, skipping cleanup after mowing is a mistake that adds up fast. Letting clippings, dirt, and dust build up around the pulleys, belts, and cooling fins can choke airflow and overheat your engine. After every mow, grab a blower or brush and clear off the top of the deck and engine area. It's a tiny task that prevents serious breakdowns later. Seventh, mowing too fast for your terrain or your machine is a silent killer of quality. Zero turns are fast, but flying through uneven ground, wet grass, or thick patches at full throttle leads to scalping, missed cuts, and long-term deck damage. Know when to slow down. Mowing smart is always better than mowing fast. Break these habits and your zero turn will reward you with that crisp, ballpark finish every single cut. Miss even one, and you're trading striping kits for repair bills. If this hit home, smash that like button, subscribe for more nonsense equipment tips, and drop your worst zero-turn mistake in the comments.